Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of something I just received in the mail from Foot Locker and Nike. It came in this really dope and securely sealed Nike box. Inside the box is a red folder with Nike pens, stickers, a postcard of graphic designer Carolyn Davidson, who created the Nike Swoosh logo, a copy of the Nike logo trademark registration, and a copy of Carolyn Davidson's Swoosh draft. This is actually pretty cool to see a piece of Nike's history. There's also a Nike mug with the Swoosh sketches on one side and Department of Nike Archives written on the other. I'm definitely putting this mug to use ASAP. And of course, here are the shoes that go along with this whole theme. The Air Max 97 is part of the Nike Script Swoosh pack, which pays homage to the original Nike logo. The ripstop type material on the upper mimics graph paper used for sketching, and the leather has random line sketches all over it. There are 3M hits on the tongue and upper, and you'll find the Script Swoosh logo on the quarter panel and insole. The Nike logo wrapping around the shoe reminds me of the undefeated Air Max 97 collab. I'm guessing they took inspiration from that design. The leather used on this style is also pretty nice. You can see they used thick cut leather around the shoe. Lastly, the laces are red and white rope laces. I think they'd look better with all white rope laces, so I'm planning to do a lace swap. The Script Swoosh pack, which includes the Air Max 97, Air Max Plus, Air Force 1, and React Element 55, all released this Saturday, August 10th at Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, and Eastbay. Just a heads up, I received the Kids Air Max 97 and they fit true to size. Thank you to Foot Locker and Nike for sending these my way. Drop a comment and let me know if you're feeling any styles in this pack, and thanks for watching.